Let's be honest. Weight loss isn't glamorous. It's slow, repetitive, and sometimes a bit boring. But here's the secret most people miss. That steady, predictable rhythm, it's exactly why it works. Everywhere you look, there's a new miracle method, a detox, a 7-day reset, the latest challenge everyone swears by. Sure, it feels exciting at first, but once the novelty wears off, motivation disappears, and we end up feeling defeated, thinking we've failed again. You're not lazy. You're just tired of chasing results that never stick. You've done the hard starts, the strict diets, the all-in weeks, and you're craving something real this time, something that lasts. The truth is, lasting weight loss isn't built on extremes. It's built on steady, repeatable actions that fit into your real life. Habits so normal, they stop feeling like effort and start becoming part of who you are. Think of it as building your own foundation, one solid brick at a time. Instead of killing yourself at the gym, try this. Go for a brisk 20-minute walk every morning while listening to your favorite podcast. Try light resistance training, 3 short sessions a week, using dumbbells or body weight. Add in fun movement like cycling with friends, dancing in your living room, or weekend hikes. Focus on small nutrition shifts. Cook one balanced homemade meal a day. Add more color to your plate. Stay hydrated and eat slowly. Prioritize rest. Aim for consistent sleep and recovery because your body burns fat better when it isn't stressed. None of this is flashy, but it builds strength, confidence, and momentum. And over months, those actions compound. That's when the real transformation happens. You'll start feeling lighter, not just physically, but mentally. You'll gain energy that lasts all day instead of sudden bursts that disappear. And you'll notice food, movement, and your body finally working with you, not against you. If this sounds too simple, remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. One walk, one healthy meal, one good night's sleep at a time. That's how real, lasting results happen. So many people who've transformed their lives didn't rely on extremes. They stayed steady, focused on the basics, and made peace with a slower pace. And that's why it stuck. So if you're ready to stop chasing the next big thing and start building real results that last, embrace simple. Stay consistent. Because when it comes to lasting change, boring isn't failure. It's freedom. If this resonated with you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for new fat loss videos every week. Lose fat without hating the process. Your body isn't the problem. You just needed the right system.